So guys, in my old lecture, I posted video related to parameterized function, but I didn't discuss one important topic. What about default parameters? What do I mean by the default parameters? Is that, for example, I created the function exotic tag. Now, so what I want to create or pass default arguments. For example, I pass x, y, but for the y, I want to declare its value as a 30. So this is my default value in place of parameters, or you can say default parameters. Okay, what if I return x into y? Okay, so now how I can compile this code. First, obviously, I have to create this thing. Now I have to pass value, for example, 4, and I would to print it out. So look, I got the output 120. So what it is doing, the 4 is passed in x. Okay, so now 4 is x and y is 30. So 4 into 30 is equals to 120. So this is how we are getting the 120. What if we pass some value? For example, I want to pass 2 here. So what will it be the effect on 30? Will this be ignored or not? Let's compile and see the output. It's interesting. So once you pass the values here, okay, so this is the less priority, this is of greater importance or greater priority, so the value 30 is neglected or ignored. So this is how default parameterized function works. If you pass value in argument, then it has more precedence or importance as compared to the default parameter value. So now that's why we got 8, like 4 into 2 is equals to 8. So this is the lecture about the default parameterized parameters in function. I hope you like this lecture. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. See you in next video.